Everyone's chasing the perfect numbers, 30% food, 35% wages, 65% combined. But here's the truth. Those aren't your numbers. They're someone else's and they don't fit your business. You wouldn't copy another chef's recipe and expect it to taste the same. So why are you copying their COGS, their wage target? Every business has its own ingredients and yours needs its own formula too. So if you're running a business by someone else's percentages, you're already losing money. What works in their kitchen won't always work in yours. And chasing industry averages is how most owners end up broke and busy. So let's fix that. You can't fix what you don't measure. Profit leaks live in lazy mass. You've probably heard this old rule, food costs at 30%, wages at 35%, but that's not real anymore. It ignores seasons, specials, waste, suppliers. You might think your food cost is 29%, but if you're not tracking stock, it's probably closer to 36. And that 7% difference, that's your entire profit gone. So here's a real formula, COGS. This is the cost of goods. It equals your opening stock plus purchase minusing your closing stock. And that's your true food cost. Labor percentage equals total wages divided by your sales. Add those together and that's your combined target. And that should be 65% or less. If your food goes up, your labor has to go down. It's like a simple balance. Profit doesn't vanish in one big mistake. It dies in small leaks, wastage, overtime, bad pricing, poor rostering. So let's do a quick audit. First, pull 4 weeks of sales and invoices. Next, track your weekly food costs using that formula. Then compare it to your weekly sales. Do the same for wages. Line up the numbers side by side and look at the spike. When are the COGS high? When are the wages heavy? Those patterns show exactly where you're leaking money. Once you can see it, you can fix it. If your COGS are high, look at the suppliers, the portions, or the menu pricing. If wages are high, check your rosters and your hours. You don't need a new menu or more customers. You need clarity because busy means nothing if you're blind to your numbers. Your COGS aren't too high. Your data's just too vague. And when you fix visibility, your profit follows.